everybody, this is me Vinu Venkatesh on behalf of Sai Education for Competitive Examinations. We're going to continue our discussion on averages. I hope you have been following the previous lectures. Please do let us know through the comments box, and without further ado, let's get started and put ourselves to the test. Okay, so we left at number 8, we finished 8, we start 9. The average weight of ABC is 45 kg. If the average weight of A and B be 40 kg and that of B and C be 43 kg, find the weight of B. Okay, let's try and do it ourselves. Where is number 9? Yeah. So average weight of ABC is 45 kg. Therefore, total weight of ABC is 45 into 3, which is 135 kg. We know that. Average into number. So ABC is 3, therefore 45 into 3. Average weight of AB is 40 kgs. Therefore, total weight of A and B is 40 into 2, 80 kgs. Similarly, average weight of B and C is 43 kg. Therefore, total weight of B and C is 43 into 2, 86 kg. Therefore, weight of A, let weight of A, let us assume it is X, and let weight of B be equal to Y. Therefore, weight of C is equal to 135. This is not plus, this is 135 minus X plus Y, right? Total minus weight of X plus weight of Y. We know that X plus Y is 80. That is, weight of A and B is 80. Correct? We got it here. And we also know that, so this gives us the weight of C. So we know that the weight of, right. So, we know that this is the weight of C. So we know that weight of C and B is equal to 86 from here, correct? Therefore, open up this equation and solve for X. You get 49 and Y is equal to 80 from here minus 49, which is 31 kg. That's what we have asked for, right? Find the weight of B, 31 kg. Okay? Oops. Okay. Now number 10. There were 35 students in a hostel. Alright, number 10. So, due to admission of 7 new students, the expenses of the mess were increased by 42 rupees per day, while the average expenditure per head diminished by rupees 1. What was the original expenditure of the mess? It's very simple. You can follow here or what we're doing here. So, N is equal to 35 students. Let original or total expenditure be equal to rupees X. Therefore, average expenditure is total expenditure divided by number of students, X by 35. Now, what are they saying? After 7 new students were admitted, the total expenditure increased by 42 rupees per day. So, total X plus 42, okay, divided by the new number of students, that is 35 plus 7, is equal to the average X by 35 minus 1. Why minus 1? Because they are saying that the average expenditure diminished by rupees 1. When 7 new students were admitted, the total the expenses of the mess, we can assume this is referring to total, increased by 42 per day, while the average diminished by 1. That's what we have captured here. Okay. Solve for X, you will get X equals to 420 rupees. Which is the correct answer, number D. Alright, I hope this is clear. It's very simple, you can follow here or what I've done. Moving on to number 11. The average salary of all workers in a workshop is 8,000. The salary of 7 technicians is 12,000 rupees and the average salary of the rest is 6,000. The total number of workers in the workshop is how many? Okay. So average salary of all workers, let it be equal to X bar. X bar is an official and formal way of denoting an average, is equal to 8,000. Therefore, total salary of 7 technicians is 12,000, which is the average of the 7 technicians into 7, which gives me 84,000. Let the total number of workers, which includes these 7 technicians, be equal to X. Okay, therefore total salary of the remaining workers. How many workers are remaining? X minus 7. X minus 7 into 6,000. That is what is given in the question. When you expand this, you will get 6000x minus 42,000. Okay, so let us write down 84,000 is a total salary of the 7 workers. This is the total salary of the remaining workers divided by total number of workers is equal to 8,000, which is the average salary of the total number of workers. Solve for x, you will get 21. So the total number of workers is 21. Okay. Number 12. In an examination, pupil's average marks were 63 per paper. If he had a pupil's average marks were 63 per paper. If he had obtained 20 more marks for his geography paper and 2 more marks for his history paper, his average per paper would have been 65. How many papers were there in the examination? Okay. So let us first assume, let the number of papers be equal to n. So average marks is equal to 63. Let it be x bar. The new average, that is if he had scored 20 more marks for his geography and 2 more marks for history, let it be called x bar 1 is equal to 65 as given in the question. Therefore total marks, let it be T1 is equal to x bar. Okay, let this be, x bar 1, let this be x bar 2. Okay, so T1 is equal to x bar 1, which is 63 into n, which is 63n. Similarly, total marks T2 is equal to x bar 2, which is 65 into n, which is 65n. So let us write it down. This is the original total, 63n, okay, plus 20 more marks for geography plus 2 more marks for history divided by total number of papers. They remain the same. They are only saying that the marks for geography and history have increased. So total number of papers remains the same, which is equal to, this whole thing is equal to the new average of 65. Solve for n, you will get n is equal to 11 papers. Is it right? It is right. Yeah. Okay, number 13. The average age of 15 students of a class is 15 years. Out of these, the average age of 5 students is 14 years and that of the other 9 students is 16 years. So they have given us the average age of 5 students and 9 students. The age of the 15 student is what? Alright. So n is equal to, total number of students is equal to 15 students. X bar, that is the average of the 15 students, is 15 years. Let n1 be equal to 5 students, x bar 1 be equal to 14 years. That is average of the 5 students. n2 is 9 students and x bar 2 is equal to 16 years, which is the average of the 9 students. Total age of all the students t, let it be equal to n into x bar. So 15 into 15 is 225 years. Total age of 5 students is 5 into 14, which is 70 years. n1 into x bar 1. Total age of 9 students is n2 into x bar 2, which is 9 into 16, 144 years, okay, based on the information given. Therefore, the age of the 15th student is total minus total age of 5 students minus total age of 9 students. So we have total minus the total age of 14 students, which will give us the age of the 15th student, which will be 11 years, right? So this is the same thing what they have done, but I've just explained it a little more so it's easy to understand. Now these things about the numbers, we did it in our previous lecture, so I'm not going to do it again. Now before we move to 14, I want to do number 19 because they are all very similar. Okay, so yeah, let us do number 19. It says if A, B, C, D and E are 5 consecutive odd numbers, what is their average? Their average is what? Okay, very careful. A, B, C, D, E are 5 consecutive odd numbers. What did I say about consecutive? It occurs one after the other. Okay, that means the difference between the each number is the same. For example, if we take A equals 3 and B is the next consecutive odd number, that is the next odd number after 3, what is that? It is 5. What is the difference between 5 and 3? It is 2. After 5, what is the next odd number, or what is the next consecutive odd number? It is 7. What is the difference between 7 and 5? Again, it is 2, right? Now, in our natural number system, all the numbers are given as odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, right? So 1, 2, 3. 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 4 is even, 5 is odd. Like that, it continues till infinity. So consecutive odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, the difference between them is 2. So we can write this as, let A, or the first odd number, be equal to A. Therefore the next odd number B is A plus 2. C will be equal to A plus 2, that is B, A plus 2 plus 2, that is A plus 4. Similarly, D would be A plus 4 plus 2, that is A plus 6. E will be A plus 6 plus 2, A plus 8. So they are saying, so what is the total? Can we calculate the total based on the information given? Yes, you add all these, like here, okay? You'll get 5A plus 20. Now what is the average based on the information given? Total divided by number. This is the total divided by 5. 5 because 5 consecutive odd numbers, A, B, C, D, E. So 5A divided by 20, 5A plus 20 divided by 5 will give me A plus 4. And that is the correct answer. So 14, 15, 16, 17 are similar. I would like you to attempt it in the same way. Let me just go on to number 18 now. Okay, the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. So this is similar to number 19 and it's similar to 14, 15, 16, 17. So I'll just do this. Is 38 more than the average of these numbers? What is the first of these numbers? Okay, so we are saying it is 3 consecutive odd numbers. So let the first odd number be A. Second odd number therefore will be A plus 2. We discussed it last time. Therefore third odd number will be A plus 2, which is A plus 4. So they are saying the sum of these 3 consecutive odd numbers is equal to 38 more than their average. So 38 plus average of these numbers. Okay, you'll get this expression. Solve for A. You will get as 17. What is A? A is the first odd number, so that is 17. Okay, second odd number is A plus 2, which is 17 plus 2, 19. Similarly, third number is A plus 4, which is equal to 21. So the first odd number is equal to 17, which is a correct answer. Part A of this question is also similar. Please do it yourself. So that brings us to the end of today's lecture. Please keep practicing and give us your comments and feedback and questions and doubts. We will continue this lecture in the next class. So until then, all the best and take care.